How to build your crypto portfolio. Welcome guys again for another video. Today we're going to see exactly the biggest tips for beginners, how they can start building their crypto portfolio, and most importantly starting their crypto journey in 2025. My name is Nawid Crypto, the leading expert of a school Moneyfest. And most importantly, I would like to tell you that do not forget to like, subscribe, and watch the video till the end, because today you will understand how you can start your crypto journey in 2025. And now I am hosting an online training and a live stream this Friday, 7 p.m. SAST, about how you can start earning every single day up to 2,000 runs. I'm going to reveal every secret and a step-by-step instruction. So do not miss this opportunity. This is only for YouTube subscribers. So make sure to subscribe the channel and join me this Friday, 7 p.m. I will be waiting for you. And now let's going to talk about the crypto portfolio, how we can finally make it happen. So first of all, we all know that cryptocurrency is just the future of finance. It's becoming the financial revolution, because we all know that the crypto adaptation, the people understanding the crypto is becoming very widely and globally rapid. It means it's very accelerating globally. Now, institutional investors are increasing their stakes. Companies, the biggest companies, JP Morgan, the biggest bank in the world, BlackRock, with having $11 trillion under management, is coming into the crypto market. And apart from that, we have the growth in DeFi, NFTs, Web3, and AI-powered projects. And most importantly, opportunities for financial independence and wealth creation. It means that this is basically the opportunity that can finally make you to live off the cryptocurrency and have your financial independency and stability. Now, there is a risk and there is a reward. That is why you have to understand exactly how you can manage your crypto portfolio. So if we talk about the risk or the reward, we all know that the crypto adaptation is just becoming widely very popular. Exactly, with Donald Trump, with the USA, with the Elon Musk becoming the cryptocurrency capital, the US. Everybody's talking about the cryptocurrency and everybody's interested in that. Institutions are putting their money, their stakes, putting millions, billions of dollars in the cryptocurrency and becoming the high technology in DeFi, which is decentralized finance. It means the solution for finance, sending, receiving money anywhere in the world with the cryptocurrency. NFTs, Web3s, and AI-powered projects. So there are a lot of opportunities that you can finally make significant amount of funds from these opportunities. But you have to understand the risk and the reward. Now, basically, we have different types of crypto investment. In general, we can talk about 3 or 4 different types. Number one is called for long-term investment and having a longer return, because this is called the chain on the foundation of the cryptocurrency or blockchain. We have Bitcoin and Ethereum. So if you invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum, it's called long-term stability and foundation, because these are the main cryptocurrencies which was created in the first and second stage. And then we have the blue chip altcoins. It means the altcoins which are having a very, very high growth potential, like BNB, Solana, ADA, XRP, and so on. And then we have some other altcoins where we have higher rewards and higher risks. Like we have different types of meme coins, AI coins, gamify, layer 2, Web3, and so on. And lastly, we have stable coins where we have zero risk, it reduces the risks, and it will keep our funds liquid. And we cannot make a lot of money with this stable coins, but still we can make money and it reduces the risks, which is basically the USDT and the USDC becoming the stable coin, which is exactly the same as the dollar inside the cryptocurrency. Now, this is exactly the best opportunity for beginners to start making their first money and for creating their own portfolio. So 50% you have to put on Bitcoin and Ethereum because of long-term stability. You put now, you just wait 1 year, 2 years, 3, 4, 5 years, and then you make significant amount of money because it's very safe. You put 30 in blue chip, like altcoins that we have, for example, BNB, Solana, XRP, ADA, DOT, and so on. And 10% you put on emerging altcoins, like meme coins, some other low market cap coins, like AI or DeFi, or let's say gaming. And here, because you have high risk and high reward, and 10% you put on stable coins because of this flexibility and the security of the market. Now, where you can buy and store cryptocurrency. Basically, the biggest exchange that we can finally understand, and we have to make a very serious consideration about that one, is Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bybit, and Mixi. So these are the top exchanges that we have to use. And if we're talking about the wallet, we have two wallets. If we have been talking previously, we have cold and hot. Like if you talk about the cold one, which is basically physically, which is called Ledger, you have it physical, and it is the most secure ledger or wallet for your cryptocurrencies. And for the applications, you can use Trust Wallet here or MetaMask, which are very safe. And if we talk about the portfolio tracking, it's important to check the coin market cap, CoinGecko, and Delta in order to understand your portfolio. For example, you invest in everything. You have to track how much money you're making every single day and what part you should change. So it's important to track your portfolio inside the cryptocurrency. Well, now there is something very important and exceptional you need to understand, because the trend is our friend. So you have to watch the crypto trends. For example, the AI plus crypto integration, because now the world of AI is coming inside the cryptocurrency, and the AI generated cryptocurrencies are just making significant potential and growth. And the events like Bitcoin halving, institutional adaptation, ETF spot, and of course the decentralized finance and growth of Web3. It means that you will not be using Swift, Visa, or PayPal. You would be using the cryptocurrency. So these are important to watch and understand, because this will help you to make a lot of money. Because once you understand what is the trend going on, and you can finally buy the specific coin and put it inside your portfolio, and then you're making significant amount of money right there. Final tips for success. First of all, stay updated with market trends and news. Trend is your friend. You have to keep updated about that one. Number two, you have to follow trusted communities, analysis, and expert that you're doing. And number three, you have to think long term, and you have to avoid emotional decisions. It means you are looking for your long term investment. So that is why it's important to avoid emotional decisions. And now, everybody, I would like to invite all of you guys for an online training and a live stream how you can earn up to 2,000 runs a day, which is going to be only for YouTube subscribers only. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe and just join this online training on January 31st, 7 p.m. SAST. I'll be waiting you, and we will be finding the secret exactly how you can earn 2,000 rounds a day. So for now, I would be waiting for you inside my online training, and that's it from my side. I will see you next time. Bye.